In this video, we are going to cover the banner import stack that comes with Aspen. So we have a funny example here. Let's say that you have a client and he wants to take his cat pictures right here. This is using my photo stack right here. We got cat pictures and you present this to the client. Client says, yes, those are my cat pictures. I love it. I just want it in the banner. Most of the time, you would say, that's impossible. We can't have it in the banner. But with the banner import stack, this is now possible. You can stick cat photos in the banner and do lots of other useful things, like in the Aspen demo site, I have a call to action video that is in the banner. Or you can have a, chances are if you're building any kind of site with a client or even personally, you will want a call to action function of some kind in the banner. The banner import stack is how you make a lot of that possible. So sticking with this example, let's get these cats in the banner. So we start by opening up the library and assuming we've installed the Aspen stack into RapidWeaver Stacks, the Stacks 3 plugin. I'm going to now type in Aspen, bring up the 3 stacks. Here we have banner import. I'm going to drag and drop this onto the page. And this is pretty simple. Taking this album and dragging it into banner import. Let's see what we get. And we now have our cats nicely in the banner. So this allows you to create any kind of layout you want, and then you can import those layouts into the banner. Please don't get crazy with it and then send me a support ticket, but you can do stuff like if you wanted like 2 columns, you wanted some text on one side and then you wanted the cats on the other side, you can now have something like that in the banner, just like that, and everything will still work. So pretty cool, extremely useful, and now you can have an autoplay banner or an autoplay background behind here. You can add a lot of richness to the page with this banner import stack. So really opens up the possibilities. And that concludes this tutorial.